Let's see how to check hex codes in Canva. And for your information, why people check hex codes on Canva, it's because to ensure that designs adhere to specific brand colors required by style guides or branding kits. Also, recreating designs by allowing designers to perfectly match colors used in other graphics or platforms. So, here's how to do it. Go to the project section of your Canva and then select design you wanted to modify or check the hex color of specific element. So first, just click a specific element you wanted to check the hex code. For example, this page, I wanted to know the hex color of this or hex code. Just simply click on the background and then navigate to this circle section which has the color of the background that you wanted to get the hex code. And then after clicking on it, click the plus icon on the side. And then after that, you will see an alphanumeric code with the number sign or hashtag on it. This is your hex code, which is the color of your background or my background in my design. And then for you to able to add another hex code, you just have to search it on another search engine for you to able to know which color is that or which shade. So for example, I will add this code. I've changed it on this shade and color. And that's how you check hex codes in Canva. See you soon.